You are going to love the 2018 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.